What's going on, friends? Welcome back to the channel. It's Mr. Bitcoin Maxi. So don't buy gold, don't buy stocks, just get 2.1 Bitcoin. Now, this video title sounds reckless, probably to some people, all right? Until you understand what 0.1 Bitcoin actually represents. Now, this isn't about diversification, okay? This is about choosing one asset that replaces the job of others. Now, the first thing I want to talk about in this video is why this title will trigger some people. Now, people are trained, okay, to believe gold is safety, stocks is growth, Bitcoin is speculation. All right, Bitcoin is complete speculation. People won't hate this title, in my opinion, because it's wrong. They'll hate it because it forces a decision. And diversification lets you avoid being wrong, but it also prevents you from being right. So let's talk about what 0.1 Bitcoin actually means. Now, 0.1 Bitcoin is not small, okay? It's a finite position. Now, there will never be more Bitcoin. There will always be more stocks. There will always be more paper gold, all right? Now, 0.1 is enough to care. Not a lot of people can afford 0.1 Bitcoin, and a lot of people are trying to get to that milestone, okay? And a lot of the people that say 0.1 is Bitcoin is nothing, well, eventually, despite what people say, despite what critics say, 0.1 Bitcoin is enough to matter, especially as the BRICS nations are trying to get away from the US dollar. US is in an enormous amount of debt. They're having to print more money than ever to prop up the economy. And it's only a matter of time until the US collapses. And when that happens, just like what happened in Iran, Bitcoin is going to go parabolic. And even 0.1 is enough to matter. Okay? 0.1 is enough to care. Golden stocks scale with the system. All right? 0.1 scales against it. Now, let's talk about why gold fails. Now, I want you all to ask one question. What job is gold supposed to do? I mean, what is it supposed to do? Gold's promise is like a store of value over time, right? Gold's reality is it's confiscatable, it's difficult to move, or requires trust in custody. Let's talk about the Bitcoin comparison. It moves instantly, right? And you can self-custody it. It's verifiable by math, by the blockchain. All right. Since Bitcoin exists, gold becomes a slower version of the same idea. Now, something else I want to cover in this video is why stocks fail. Now, another question I want you to ask is what job are stocks supposed to do? Stocks promise are growth above inflation, right? Hidden assumptions are it's stable money. Honest accounting, fair regulation is what you might have heard. Now, the Bitcoin contrast is it doesn't depend on profits. All right, it doesn't depend on CEOs. All right, stocks are a bet on companies surviving bad money, and Bitcoin is a bet on escaping bad money entirely. All right, now the real reason people cling to golden stocks, something else I want to talk about, is it's not returns, it's social permission, right? Golden stocks are approved by parents, right? Approved by advisors, approved by institutions. Now, Bitcoin, on the other hand, forces personal responsibility. There's no one to blame. You buy Bitcoin on Robinhood, you buy it on Coinbase. It's up to you to take it off of the exchange. And there's a video out there, I'm not going to say who, it doesn't matter, but there's a video out there that I seen, someone brought to my attention that this person saying that self-custody won't matter in 5 to 10 years. That's complete BS. Please don't listen to that. Whoever says that is a complete fool and doesn't know what they're talking about. We need Bitcoin, we need ETFs, right, in order to drive global demand so Bitcoin can grow. However, real Bitcoiners, especially Bitcoin maximalists, know that you need self-custody. If you are a true Bitcoiner and you want to preserve your wealth, you need to take it off exchanges and have it in a cold storage wallet. So please do not listen to BS like that, all right? I don't care how many followers they got. You will get wrecked if you listen to something like that. But take it with a grain of salt that, 5 to 10 years, there's a lot of people that just want exposure to Bitcoin. However, you do need some type of self-custody, all right, to protect yourself. Now, let's talk about concentration versus diversification. Now, diversification is useful when outcomes are unclear, okay? Bitcoin maxis believe the outcome is clear. Now, golden stocks dilute conviction. Now, 0.1 Bitcoin concentrates it, All right. Now, another thing I want to talk about in this video is lifestyle sacrifice, which is a big thing in my opinion. Now, getting to point one requires saying no to convenience, saying no to impulse buys. Like, I constantly beat a dead horse with you on some of these videos that I make, but I ultimately sprinkle that in every video. All right. If you want to get to your goal, even if it's past 0.1 Bitcoin, even if it's 0.01 Bitcoin, whatever your financial situation is, you need to understand that you need to sacrifice your impulse buys. All right. Now, why does this matter? Gold. Now, let's talk about gold, though. Gold doesn't change your behavior. Stocks don't change your behavior. Bitcoin does. It's about who you become while earning it. All right. Who do you become while trying to grind and trying to build wealth? All right. In my opinion, stocks aren't going to do that. Gold isn't going to do that. But Bitcoin will do that because it motivates you. There's a finite supply. And there's a bunch of different stocks. Those companies can go just completely under. There's a bunch of gold out there. People can just melt the gold that they have. All right. And there's always new gold coming into circulation. Yes, gold's going up, silver's going up. Silver is used in, it's used in, you need it for AI infrastructures now. You need it for electrical vehicles, stuff like batteries, I believe. But there's a fixed amount of Bitcoin, 21 million, and there's only 13 to 15 million right now that's left, and it's going to get less. All right. Now let's talk about the psychology of the market. Now, institutions diversify because they must appear prudent. All right. They can't take existential bets, in my opinion. Now, individuals can make one correct asymmetrical bet, and that's Bitcoin. Now, institutions protect themselves. They got to protect their careers, but Bitcoin will protect your bloodline. Because if you're stacking Bitcoin over and over and over again, you're ignoring the noise, and you know eventually where this is going, like I do, where the world is going to eventually run off Bitcoin. And I make these videos and I harp on you guys all the time on these videos to ignore everything else and to just focus on stacking as much Bitcoin as you can, because would you rather be here stacking Bitcoin now before we're transacting it every day, as opposed to once it becomes global reserve currency, we're all transacting in it every day, and by then it's going to be too late, right? That's why I tell you all, you're here now, you guys are early, and you still have a chance. All right. Ignore all the stocks, ignore the gold. I'm not saying it's not good to diversify. I'm not personally doing it, but to each his own. That's why I'm making this video, to get you all to understand the opportunity that you all have compared to gold, silver, and a bunch of BS stocks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. All right. You might have heard, but Bitcoin is the basket to put all the eggs in my opinion, that will survive. Now, this is why I don't buy gold. I don't buy stocks. So just please, ladies and gentlemen, get to 0.1 Bitcoin. Don't FOMO into gold. Don't FOMO into silver. If you're going to diversify in it, that's up to you. Personally, I'm not doing that because I want to scoop up as much of the Bitcoin supply as possible before the institutions get it. And who knows? Once it's all mine, there's going to be people that are going to be holding on to it. Then we're going to be transacting in it, right? And so I want to get in early before the parabolic move, which I truly believe is coming. So I hope this video has been very helpful for you all. About to hit the gym, feeling good. It's nice and sunny outside. So I hope you all have a good day, depending on when you're tuning in. I'm Mr. Bitcoin Maxi. We are all Bitcoin Maxi. Stack sats, stay free, stay humble, and I will see you on the next video, and I hope you all have a good day.